What is up guys, this is Shady Tech Talk and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Realme C12 and the box is presented by Realme tone color which is yellowish all around the box, and in the back it spots the specifications of C12 with 6000 mega battery, triple camera setup with 30 megapixel AI main camera, 6.5 mini drop full screen and instant fingerprint unlock. So let's just get on with the unboxing, shall we? So first you got presented by hey, welcome to Realme family, nice, and this is the SIM card ejection tool. Let's see, got the usual quick startup guides and yeah, some documentations here as well. Okay, you got presented by the phone next, which I'm gonna put aside and take a look later on, and then a piece of cardboard with a cutout of the camera. Not sure why they kind of always put it. I think they're just to separate it from the accessories down below. So this is the 3-pin UK style charger with a I think it's a 10 watt. Yep, it's written there, 10 watt battery. It's gonna be interesting, 10 watt battery. How long is it gonna take to charge up a 6000 milliamp battery? I'm gonna test this out later on in different kind of videos. Alright, so the next one is the USB to, unfortunately it is a micro USB and it's not the USB-C type, but yep, that's what it is. So yeah, peel these things off. Right, so the front screen, you can see the screen protector is pre-installed on. On the bottom, you got the speaker grill, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a port for the USB, micro USB. And on the left side, you got the SIM card, dual SIM card, and with a SD card slot here. On top, nothing. And the right side, volume up, down, and power button. And on the back, it's a reddish tone, as you can see here with the fingerprint scanner here. Triple camera setup on the left side, and you can see the Realme branding here, and there's even though it's plastic built, I feel that it's pretty good material of plastic. It's not that, you know, not that thin. Can feel that it's well made. Even have a sound to it because it's not actually flat. If you can see properly here, when you do this you can hear the noise of it. Sorry, my nail is a little bit long. And yeah, with the couple of lines here to separate the color of reddish tone to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Turn it on for the first time. Okay, select English for now. Next, terms of service next. Forgot to mention, I also have like a simple silicone clear case for C12 here, so I'm just gonna put it on and show you guys how it looks like with the case on. Nice and fit. Yep, I'll just leave it on for now and let's move on. Skip everything. Welcome Realme UI. Alright. Downloading 13 apps. Okay, so you have it, the front screen of the first boot up of the phone. Let's just quickly go to the settings and see what's up. Display brightness, I believe it is at auto, yep, and it's at 30. When I put all the way up, high power consumption. When you have 6000 mAh battery, I don't think it's gonna be issue even at full brightness. But for this purpose of this video, I'll just put it around 60, I guess. Yeah. Dark mode, always nice to have. Easy for the eye. Switch into dark mode, which I'm gonna leave at white mode for now. Eye comfort is gonna make your screen much yellowish color instead of the blue tint, which I'm gonna put at Bluetooth for now. So let's go ahead and see software update first and see if there's any update, even though I think it's just like the first or second day of the official release of this phone in Malaysia here. And it's running on a Realme Android 10 Realme UI 11A67 as it's written there. About phone, so click see through Realme UI version 1.0, Android version 10, octa-core, 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage even though it's only 18.6 available, and model and so on. Split screen, so here that's pretty much it. Let's just quickly go to the camera first and see the camera setup for first time. Okay, so yeah, video mode, phone, night, always nice to have. Portrait mode and more. You got the ultra macro, panoramic, expert mode, slow motion, go lens. You go to options, settings, and the highest. Let's see, watermark you can put it on or off. Yeah, so let's go to video and see the settings as well. Let's press it. Yeah, for video resolution you can go all the way to 1080p at 30 fps. Good enough. Let's just quickly take pictures of this Lego set over here. 2 times. Portrait even have a portrait mode. Portrait mode usually it will make the background much blurrier. So let's focus on this Lego guy here. Oh, that's pretty good. Pretty sharp and clear. Yeah, looks pretty good. Detail is nice. I'll do more testing of the camera in the other videos, but for now it's just quick unboxing and first look of this phone. And of course the battery is the main point of this phone, so I'm gonna do a lot of battery tests with this phone as well. But for now, I think that's pretty much it. This is just a quick unboxing and a quick first look of Realme C12. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed these videos, and if it's helpful in any way, please take a couple of seconds to subscribe to my channel. It will really help my channel to grow and I will greatly appreciate it. And this is Shady Tech Talk. Until the next video, see you soon.